Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss an important topic, Indian National Movement topic, Indian National Congress, INC 1885, important for all competitive exam. We'll discuss all the Indian National Congress related question and answer. So, first topic, important opinion about INC. By Lord Dufferin, he said INC represent only a microscopic minority. Number 2, by Lord Curzon, he said about INC, the Congress is tottering to its fall. My ambition is to assist it to a peaceful demise. Number 3, Aurobindo Ghosh said about Indian National Congress that INC is a begging institution. Number 4, Bal Gangadhar Tilak said that INC should distinguish between the begging and claiming the rights. And number 5, by Bipin Chandra said that INC playing with the bubbles. Next, INC president for multiple times. Number 1, W.C. Banerjee, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. He was twice the president of INC in 1885 Bombay session and 1892 in Allahabad session. Number 2, Surendranath Banerjee. He also twice the president of INC in 1895 in Pune session and 1902 Allahabad session. Number 3, William Wedderburn. He also twice the president of INC in 1889 in Bombay session and 1910 in Allahabad session. Next, number 4, Rasbihari Ghosh. He also the president of INC for twice, 1907 in Surat session, but the session was suspended after that, and 1908 in Madras session. Next, Motilal Nehru. He also twice president of INC, 1919 in Bombay session and 1928 Kolkata session. Next, Subhash Chandra Bose. He also the president of INC for twice, 1938 Haripura session and 1939 Jabalpur session. But in Jabalpur session he quit the Indian INC. Next, 7, Madan Mohan Malviya. He was the president INC for 3 times, 1909 in Lahore session, next 1918 in Delhi session and 1932 Delhi session. Next, Dadabhai Nauroji. He was the president of INC for 3 times, 1886 in Kolkata session, 1893 Lahore session and 1906 Kolkata session. Next, Rajendra Prasad. He also the president of INC for 3 times. He first 1934 in Bombay session, 1935 Lucknow session and 1939 Tripuri session after Subhash Chandra Bose resigns. And next, number 10, Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the president of INC for 4 times. So, if the question asked who was the president of INC for maximum time, the answer will be Jawaharlal Nehru 4 times. 1929 in Lahore session, 1930 Karachi session, 1936 Lahore session and 1937 Faizpur session. Maximum number of Indian National Congress session was held in between the 1885 the established year and 1947 the independent year. So maximum time held in Kolkata 10 times: 1886, 1890, 1896, 1901, 1906, 1911, 1917, 1920, 1928 and 1933. Number 2, Madras 7 times: 1887, 1894, 1898, 1903, 1908, 1914 and 1927. Number 3, Bombay 6 times: 1885, the first session of INC, 1889, then 1904, 1915, 1918 a special session and 1934. And number 4, Lahore 5 times: in 1893, 1900, 1909, 1929 and 1936. Now we'll discuss the important question answer of INC. Number 1, Indian National Congress was founded during the tenure of Governor General Lord Dufferin. Next, INC was founded by Alan Octavian Hume in 1885, 28th December. Next, first session in 1885 under the presidency of Umesh Chandra Banerjee was held at Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College in Bombay. Next, the preambles of all Indians were discussed the respective of their religion, caste, language and region. Next, from the very beginning, INC was an all India secular movement. Next question. First session of INC was attended by 72 delegates under the presidency of Umesh Chandra Banerjee. The famous delegates including G.M. Ranade, Dadabhai Naoroji, Firoz Shah Mehta, Dinesh Vachav and K.T. Tilang. And the major demand during the first session of INC were ICS, Indian Civil Service Examinations, to be held in India and England simultaneously. Number 2, Legislative Council reforms and principle of election to be adopted instead of nomination. Number 3, Apology for Upper Burma annexation. Number 4, military expenditure to be reduced. So these are the 4 important demands in the first session of INC. Next question. Second session of INC was attended by 436 delegates in Kolkata session. In this session, Indian National Congress and Indian National Conference merged. Next question. First Muslim president of INC was Badruddin Taibji in 1887 at Madras session. Next question. First English or British president of INC was George Uley in 1888 at Allahabad session. Next, first female president of INC was Annie Besant in 1917 at Kolkata session. In this session, a Congress flag was proposed and principle of linguistic division was accepted by INC. Next question. First Indian female president of INC was Sarojini Naidu in 1925 at Kanpur session. And in this session, Hindi was adopted as the official language of Congress session. Next question. Youngest president of INC was Abdul Kalam Azad in 1923 at Delhi special session. Next question. National song Bande Mataram sung for the first time by Rabindranath Tagore in 1896. This is an important question. In Kolkata session and 1896 session, the president was Rahmatullah Sahani. Next question. Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana was sung for the first time in 1911 in Kolkata session, and in that session the president was Bison Narayan Dhar. This is also an important question. Next question. Mahatma Gandhi first time appeared on the Congress platform in 1901 in Kolkata session, and 1901 president was Dinesh Dinshaw E. Wacha. Next, only session of INC presided by Mahatma Gandhi in 1924 in Belgaum session. So Mahatma Gandhi was the president of INC for once in 1924 Belgaum session. Next question. Formal proclamation of Swadeshi movement against the government was 1905 in Benares session, and the Benares session was presided by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Next question. Adopted the 4 resolution on Swaraj, self-government, boycott movement, Swadeshi and national education in 1906 in Kolkata session, and Dadabhai Naoroji was the president of 1906 session. Next question. First split of Congress into moderate and the extremist in 1907 in Surat session, and the president was Rasbihari Ghosh. So 1907 the Congress was split into 2 divisions, moderate and extremist. Next question. Unity between the 2 factions of moderate and extremist of Congress in 1916 in Lucknow session, and S.C. Majumdar was the president. Lucknow Pact signed between Congress and the Muslim League to build the political consensus in 1916. Next question. Second split of INC was held in 1918 in Delhi session, and Madan Mohan Malviya was the president of the session. Next question. Muhammad Ali Jinnah left the Indian National Congress in 1920 in Nagpur session, and C. Bhargava Acharya was the president of the session. And next question. Hazrat Muhammad demanded for the complete independence in the year of 1921. Next question. Chittaranjan Das and other leaders broke away from the Indian National Congress in 1922 in Goa session, and C.R. Das was the president of that session. In 1923, he and Motilal Nehru founded the Swaraj Party. So, 1922, C.R. Das left the Indian National Congress, and he and Motilal Nehru founded the Swaraj Party in 1923. Next question. First acting president of INC was Ajmal Khan in 1921, and C.R. Das was the president from the jail. Next question. All India Youth Congress was formed in 1928 in Kolkata session. Next question. Passed the resolution of Purna Swaraj in 1929 in Lahore session, and Jawaharlal Nehru was the president of 1929, and he pledged for the Independence Day celebrated on 26 January 1930. Next question. Resolution of Fundamental Rights and National Economic Program was taken in 1931 in Karachi session, and Vallabhbhai Patel was the president of the session. Next question. Amendment of the Constitution of Congress took place in 1934 in Bombay session, and Rajendra Prasad was the president of the session. Next question. Formation of Congress Socialist Party was in 1934, and it was founded by J.P. Narayan, Ram Manohar Lohia, Narendra Deba and Mino Masani. Next question. First Bengali woman president of INC was Nelly Sengupta. She was the wife of Jitendra Mohan Sengupta. Nell Sengupta was the president of INC in 1933 of Kolkata session, and second European English born woman to be president of INC. So Nell Sengupta was the European Indian woman. First European to be the president of INC was Annie Besant. Next question. First session to be held in the village was Fazpur in Bombay. Jawaharlal Nehru was the president of the session held in 1937. So first village in first INC session was held in a village, that is Fazpur. And this session the demanded for Constitutional Assembly and the election won by the Congress in 5 out of 9 provinces. Next question. National Planning Committee NPC was set up under the chairman of Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Subhash Chandra Bose was the first elected president of INC in 1938 in Haripura session. Next question. Rajendra Prasad took over the president after Subhash Chandra Bose resigned in 1939 in Tripuri session. So Rajendra Prasad became the president after Subhash Chandra Bose resigned the INC in 1939. So next question. No Congress session was held in the phase of 1941 to 1945 due to Second World War. Next question. Last session after independence was presided by J.B. Kripalani in 1946 at Meerut. Next question. Second Muslim president of INC was Rahmatullah Sahani in 1896 at Kolkata session. Next question. First official history of INC was written by Pattabi Sitaramaiah. Next question. My own belief is that Congress is tottering and one of my great ambition is to assist it to peaceful death. It is said by Lord Curzon. Next question. First president of Muslim League was Nawab Bakhtar ul Mulk. Next, first secretary of INC was Alan Octavian Hume, the founder of INC. Next question. INC accepted the theory of drain of wealth in 1896 by Dadabhai Naoroji. Mahatma Gandhi said that Gandhi may die, but Gandhism will be remain forever in Karachi session in 1931. So now we'll discuss all the president of INC. Number 1, 1885, W.C. Banerjee in Bombay. Number 2, 1886, Dadabhai Naoroji in Kolkata. 1887, Balauddin Taibji in Madras. 1888, George Joule at Allahabad session. 1889, William Odervan in Bombay session. 1890, Firoz Shah Mehta in Kolkata session. 1901, Dinesh Wacha in Kolkata session. 1902, S.N. Banerjee, Ahmedabad. 1903, Lal Mohan Ghosh, Madras session. 1904, Henry John Cotton, Bombay session. 1905, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Benares session. 1906, Dadabhai Naoroji, Kolkata session. 1907, Ras Bihari Ghosh at Kolkata Surat session. 1891, Panapaka Andachallur in Nagpur session. 1892, W.C. Banerjee, Allahabad. 1893, Dadabhai Naoroji at Lahore session. 1894, Alfred Webb, Madras session. 1895, S.N. Banerjee, Surendranath Banerjee, Pune session. 1896, Rahmatullah M. Sahani, Kolkata session. 1897, C. Shankaran Nair, Amravati session. 1898, Ananda Mohan Bose, Madras session. 1899, R.C. Banerjee, Lucknow session. 1900, N.G. Chandrabhakar, Lahore session. 1908, Ras Bihari Ghosh, Madras session. 1909, Madan Mohan Malviya, Lahore session. 1910, William Odervan, Allahabad session. 1911, Bishan Narayan Dhar, Kolkata session. 1912, Raghunath Narsimha Madhulkar, Bakipur session. 1913, Nawab Sayyid Muhammad Bahadur, Karachi session. 1914, Bhupendranath Bose, Madras session. 1915, S.P. Sinha, Bombay session. 1916, Ambika Charan Majumdar, Lucknow session. 1917, Annie Besant, Kolkata session. 1918, Madan Mohan Malviya, Delhi session. 1918, Sayyid Hassan Imam, Bombay session. This is a special session of INC. 1919, Motilal Nehru, Amritsar session. 1920, Lala Lajpat Rai, Kolkata session. 1920, C. Vijay Bhargava Acharya, Nagpur session. This is also a special session of INC. 1921, Hakim Ajmal Khan, Ahmedabad. 1922, C.R. Das, Goa session. 1932, Abul Kalam Azad, Delhi special session. 1923, Muhammad Ali Johar, Kakinada. 1924, Mahatma Gandhi, Belgaum session. 1925, Sarojini Naidu, Kanpur session. 1926 S. Srinivas Iyengar, Guwahati session. 1927 Mukhtar Ahmad Ansari, Madras session. In this session, in 1924 Mahatma Gandhi, Belgaum session, and 1925 Sarojini Naidu, Kanpur session, the important ones. 1928 Motilal Nehru, Kolkata session. 1929 Jawaharlal Nehru, Lahore session. 1930 Jawaharlal Nehru, Karachi session. 1931 Vallabhbhai Patel, Karachi session. 1932 Madan Mohan Malviya, Delhi session. 1933 Neil Sengupta in Kolkata session. 1934 Rajendra Prasad, Bombay session. 1935 Rajendra Prasad, Lucknow session. 1936 Jawaharlal Nehru, Lahore session. 1937 Jawaharlal Nehru, Faizpur session. 1938 S.C. Subhash Chandra Bose, Haripura session. He was the first elected president of INC. 1938. Next, 1939 Subhash Chandra Bose, Jabalpur. In this session he resigned the INC. Next, 1939 Rajendra Prasad, Haripura, Tripuri session. And 1940 to 1946 Abul Kalam Azad, the Ramgarh session. And 1946 to 47 J.B. Kripalani, Meerut session. And 1948-49 Pattabi Sitaramaiah in Jaipur session. So these are the 1885 to 1949 session presidents. Next, the session of 1930, 1935 and 1941 to 45 could not be held. From 1941 to 45 there was no session of INC due to the Second World War. Hence the Abul Kalam Azad remained the president of INC for that entire period, and he was also the president when the resolution of Quit India movement in a special session at Bombay. Next, the fortune of INC was Indian National Conference. It was started by Surendranath Banerjee, and first session was held in 1883 in Kolkata. The National Conference, and it was started to protest against the Ilbert Bill controversy and the respective repressive measure of the British government. Now we'll discuss about the safety valve theory. The secret report which was regarding the safety valve theory was read by founder of INC A.O. Hume in 1878 at Simla. The mention of this story was founded in A.O. Hume's biography, which was published in 1913 and written by William Audubon. He was the biographer of A.O. Hume, and the reason behind the formation of the organization is like the INC was to political outbursts in the country. So these are the information about Indian National Congress. So these are the important facts, important general knowledge question, and the information about Indian National Congress asked in previous year question, and these are the question all I discuss about INC. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then press the like button and share this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for get the daily notification.